after it.
So we're going to move on to the Judges Recognition Award. Now, this is the award of awards. So the judges, and Ian has looked at all the award entries and all the finalists, the winners, and he is going to select and announce the Judges Recognition Award for 2020.
Okay. When you look at all of the people who've entered these awards and all the winners of these awards, one of the things that strikes me is that you have people who, there's two ways of responding to a problem. Either you look at a problem and you turn in the other direction, you just moan about it and let it defeat you, or you look at a problem and say, how can I defeat it and how can I help others defeat it for the future? And in that, the seed of a business idea is born. And the person who's won this award very much, to me, epitomised that approach. Real challenges, tremendous problems that she herself and her connections had, but came over those, and out of that, an amazing idea was born that is giving benefit to so many others. So I'd like to present the overall Judges Recognition Award to Maria Hansen, MBE, M&D Charity. Congratulations.
Hello again, Maria. Well, you've heard from Ian why he selected you as the Judges Recognition Award this year. So 2 awards will be winging their way to you very shortly. But as Ian said, you know, you've overcome, it's very difficult in a charity right now, and you've overcome a number of hurdles to make sure that that charity continues in very difficult circumstances. And, you know, the venue that you've created for families to go to is absolutely phenomenal. You know, and that all was launched only recently, wasn't it?
Yes. So we were halfway through when everything shut down in March. So yeah, it's been mad to try and get that open. So I've continued. We've let our admin go, and then I continued. I'm unwaged anyway to keep the fight up, and yeah, just getting so many families away, hopefully, while there's still a little bit of time. But I'm so overwhelmed. I don't know what to thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Maria. Congratulations on winning this year's Judges Recognition Award. Ian, if I could ask you to just stay there for a few moments. We're coming to our final award on the afternoon. The judges, this is the Woman Who Achieves Special Award. And this is sponsored by the FSB, so I'm going to invite Julie Lilly onto the stage as well. Julie has the golden envelope, but I'm going to ask Ian. Ian, would you just come and sort of join me, socially distanced, of course.
In the middle there.
In the middle. We had a bit of a discussion about the recipient of this award, and there were some words we came up with as to why we felt this award should be awarded to this particular individual. And the winner of this award comes from a particularly challenging sector right now in retail.
Yes.
We did sort of agree.
Yeah, we did agree. Absolutely, yes.
Independently, we had a conversation, and it's amazing that we both came up with exactly the same person who deserved this award because she's had a journey herself. She's overcome a number of challenges. She's in a sector that's particularly hard hit on the high street. Is there anything you want to add to that?
Yeah, I think, you know, for so many businesses that we're involved in with FSB, trying to support and help them through that, and so many of them, you know, it's tough enough fighting your own battles, but this person hasn't just fought her own battles, but she's helped fight the battle for her sector and for the region she's in as well. Yes, so it's really good to see that.
So, Julie, would you like to reveal the winner to us, please?
So, the winner of the Woman Who Achieves Special Award, sponsored by the FSB, is Jo Williams, Joco Gifts. Congratulations, Jo.
Hello, Jo. You're beautifully poised on your sofa. We can see you.
I'm actually lost for words.
Well, congratulations, Jo. Every year we have a special award, and it was just strange that Ian and I, in discussion, we both came up with the same individual, which was absolutely lovely that you stood out for that reason, and we wanted to recognise the challenges you've had, the obstacles you've overcome. And you've been in a finalist for Woman Who Awards for several years as well. I know you entered this year, you weren't successful in your category, but actually to win a special award, we wanted to recognise your achievements and everything that you've achieved to date. How are you feeling right now?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. I am absolutely gobsmacked. It's been so difficult this year. I can't speak. Obviously with the virus and things and trying to keep the business going and coming up with innovative ways to keep my 5 staff in a job, which I have managed to do, and we have, we've been quite successful in staying open, whereas a lot of people haven't. Also, sort of recently, I was named as one of the Small Business 100 for the country because I am passionate about keeping the high street open and on giving people opportunity to sell through my shop where they can't have markets and stalls and things like that. So I'm trying to support other people as well. So I really am. I can't blown away.
Well, congratulations, Jo. You'll be the recipient of our special award, which will come out to you by delivery. So congratulations. So there's nothing else for me to say other than I'm so pleased that you've all been able to join me here this afternoon. I know it's not been what we planned. The studio has been fantastic. Thank you to all the speakers, Julie Lilly, Judy Cholan, Julie McGarrigle, Ian O'Donnell, to our photographer, John Cleary, to the team at ISTED, to Jester Styles for entertaining us. I've had a wonderful afternoon seeing you all. I wish we could have hugged in person like we usually do. It's lovely to have that interaction, but I've tried to deliver the best interactive experience I can. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all in person. I'm really looking forward to seeing your pictures. Please post your pictures, put it on Twitter, put it on Facebook so we can interact with you further after the awards. And there will be some bulletins and announcements on Twitter, so please engage with that. Hashtag #IamAWomanWho, @WomanWhoUK on Facebook and Twitter. I think we're even on Instagram as well. So it's been lovely to see you all. Thank you to everyone in the studio. Have a great afternoon, have a great weekend, and congratulations to all the winners this year and the finalists. Thank you.